So, Dina, about this workshop that we're doing, there's a lot of people who have social media managers and they
Mhm.
pay people to either do their LinkedIn, they do the nice graphics, or some people even pay people to copyright and write their articles and just make their LinkedIn look really nice because they don't have time. Is there if someone says, "Oh, I have somebody managing my LinkedIn," do you think there is benefit for them going through our workshop, our course?
First of all, let me say this is benefit for what they want to achieve. It is benefit to have a LinkedIn manager for what they want to achieve. Yes, they can still use the LinkedIn manager, but the thing is their authenticity is not kept because people then realize when you are authentic in your presence on LinkedIn or when you just do things because you need to post every day or maybe three times a week. So I think it's very important to be authentic, to share your value, to send out your message. And the thing is, when people have the LinkedIn manager or social media manager. So if they are a certain level, they're millionaire, billionaire, they're very busy. Okay, so I can understand also because there is also a production work behind that. So there are cameramen, there are editors, etc. So there is makes sense. I don't want to put the social media manager work down either, but for what we think we must do as a leaders, nursing leaders, and we really need to put our value out there. I think is the fact that to hire a social media manager is more a mental block because if for the people that are going to join the program, they're going to see that you don't really need to put so much effort. You can schedule your post, you can create your post with ease using some tool that I'm going to share. But if you do by yourself, you can stay authentic because you're linked with people.
Yeah.
You manage by yourself, you know what is going on. Delegate someone else and just say, okay, where is the authenticity? How can you really make the other people on the other side feeling what you really want to transmit them? And also, if you really want to remain authentic and you want a social media manager, LinkedIn manager, are you going to check every work? It doesn't make sense. Because if you really want to stay authentic, you should check what the social media manager have done to you to make sure that your authenticity is still there. So when you have to spend time to review all the things, I think it's better to do it by yourself in a right way, smart way, than delegate somebody else because the results won't be the same.
And I agree with you. And I think there is a certain point where if you have a business, the social media manager, for the consistency of your business, you can have a manager that put posts there. But I think you still should know how to do it for yourself. You should still know the elements of how to get your message across. Even if you can't do it all the time, you know how to keep that authenticity or that resonance because energy flows where your attention flows. So if your attention is to the real connection that you're making, then you're pouring energy and it comes back to you in the form of a real connection, not just a hey,
Yeah,
I like
exactly.
you.
Yeah, because we actually teach about real connection because otherwise, why you have LinkedIn? We need real connection to get to the root of to fix the problem. Yeah,
Yeah.
we really need to collaborate. So otherwise, it doesn't make any sense.
Yes, and I know a lot of times people are inundated with social media. They say, "Oh, I need to take a break." And sometimes I need to take a break, so I
Yeah,
understand. But I think when you take a break and you have a real connection with people, they understand. And when you come back, they're there for you. But when you have a superficial relationship with someone and you take a break, when you come back, there is nobody there for you because there was never really a connection. So this is going to be awesome. We just wanted to share this with you today.
thank you.
Thank you, Dina.